These saplings look so wonderful. Of course, some people might tell me that why have you grown so many of them in one pot? But what I did was I took a fair number of seeds, put them in this large waste container. This is just a food delivery container. I typically use these. I make a couple of holes at the bottom and then I use these for growing a lot of my saplings. Uh, in the past, I've had a fair amount of success in growing multiple saplings in this box. What I do is I'll wait for them to get at least an inch more or higher. Then each of them will be taken out delicately and then transplanted into the final pot. As you can see, they're at least an inch or more in height. And now, as the weather is getting heated up, the growth is happening. During a month or so of winter, there was hardly any growth happening. In fact, for a couple of months of colder winter, there was hardly any growth happening. But now growth is happening. I'll update as and when we reach a point where I can start transplanting.